Hi, I'm just giving you a short briefing that how to install T23G for the wall mount. So this is a basic T23G with this is the base. Normally it comes, so you have to take it out this base. Okay, this is a base, so you have to just press this and it comes out, and just turn over first and lock it. Okay, now this is the base. After turn over and install it. And once it is installed, the position is just like that, and you can mount it. And then there's this thing, you have to take it out, press and take it out and turn over. Once you turn over and install it, it's just like a simple clip, and just cradle, have to leave it like this, and it's not gonna be fall. You see this? So it's completely straight. Okay, all right, should be good. Thank you.